and this trip was amazing.
Pastel pink in the sunset. You know I never wanna make you upset. How did I become so obsessed with this?
Driving to Belgium. What's the capital? Brussels. Bonjour mes amis. I hope you guys are doing well. So yeah, this week we're going to Brussels for somebody's birthday. Well, yeah, it's his birthday. We'll leave it out there. So yeah, stay tuned. This is gonna be a fun weekend with my friends. Say hi. Yeah, we're gonna go have some fun in Brussels. Anyway, stay tuned, guys. Let's go to Brussels and have some fun in Belgium. Woo! So I think we're in Belgium. We are now in Belgium, and a quick stop or something of that sort. I'm gonna go find the bathroom because I need to pee. Okay, now in Belgium, and there's this random thing I found. It's mustard hot dog. Like it's just like a hot dog in a packet. Interesting, right? I'm not gonna try it, but very quick and easy for you to get. Another one. And obviously you're gonna get your waffles because come on, you're in Belgium, so you gotta have an array, not just like one packet, like an array of waffles. So we finally made it to Belgium. We're in the hotel room right now. Just ignore this. The girl is playing music. You like it? Okay, so maybe you're just gonna be like a quick tour. Come into the room. It's the bathroom. I think it's a shower right here. No, that's the bathroom. Toilet. And that's a cool mirror. Oops. All the basics. Oh. Anyway, it's a shower. It's a pretty big shower. It's okay. It's got like an Asian feel to it, I think. It's got like lots of Asian. I'm ignoring you in the yeah. It's pretty cool. It's okay. Sides. Put it on this way. Decided that, you know what, today we're just gonna chill indoors and get room service because it is outside and not a thing right now. The restaurants are closed. We got in really late, so we're just gonna chill and have dinner inside and just relax. And then tomorrow we go out and we experience and visit a few places in Belgium and explore Belgium. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Now.
So
yeah,
I brought some juice from Martinique.
Ooh, what is it called?
Charas Antillaise.
Yeah, that one.
It's an Antillaise, West in the Caribbean.
Morning, guys. So today I'm just getting ready. We're gonna go out to the city. Sorry, I'm busy doing my makeup at the same time. So yeah, we're gonna go out to the city and see what Belgium, Brussels has to offer. It's a bit late. It's like what? 11. But it's fine. When you're on holiday, you can stay out as long as you want. You can sleep in. It's allowed. We'll still see the city, even if it's not going to be as long as we would like. It's okay. It's fine. Anyway, just wanted to clock in and let you know what's the plan today. First, we're going to go get brunch because I'm hungry and I haven't eaten, and then afterwards we're going to go see some monuments and see what Brussels is all about. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. I'm getting ready for the first day. How cute is this skirt? I am in love with this skirt. I got it from Zara. So cute. And obviously I've got my little tiara and just a normal white shirt. So yeah, I've got a scarf as well, but we'll wear that later. Just wanted to show you my outfit for the day. Love this skirt. Oh, okay, is it a famous cathedral here? I don't know. Anyway, we are now in the city center of Brussels. So pretty. It's a really nice city, but we'll see. We're gonna go get food. We're hungry. We haven't eaten all morning. So the first stop is food. I found this cute little restaurant online. So hopefully it'll be with the vibes. Oh, this is cool. They're doing some painting. Some street art while we go find food. Nice. Let's go. So we finally got to the restaurant. We're gonna try out some Belgian meatballs, apparently, and some Belgian fries, because when you're in Belgium, you eat fries and beer, but we didn't have beer. But anyway, it's good. Soon enough, we'll try some beer, some Belgian beer. Anyway, yeah, I'll show you what we're gonna have. Just waiting for the food to come now. Just having some water now, and yeah. We have our beleg. What are they called? I don't know, but these are apparently balls. They're apparently, what's it called? Belgian specific balls. So we're gonna try them, and then I have some fries with some sauciness there. I need some tomato sauce. Is it ketchup? Is that ketchup?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, gonna have some of those. Yummy! Banana! He's going at it. He's just like, I'm not waiting for this. This is a potato. I thought it would have like cheese in it.
Just
So Belgians are known for their chips, and this chip is amazing. The French will hate on me. Yeah, they'll hate on me. But the Belgians know what they're doing with chips. Yo, this is a chip. This is an amazing chip. I don't understand if you guys understand. This is a chip. Whoa. It's fluffy, and it's just. French people hate me for this, but they think their French fries are the best. So good, but I'm so full. I always order way too much food than I actually can handle, so I didn't even finish off with the balls, but they were so good. And those chips, guys, you must come to Brussels for chips, eh? Those chips are amazing, y'all. So anyway, now we're going into the city center to go see the what are we doing? The Grand Palais? No, not Grand Palais. What is it called? Kevin, what are we gonna go see? Grand Place. So yeah, we're just walking there. It's not that far apparently from where we are. Anyway, let's go see it. Stunning. Okay, you can see there's like literal buildings that it's gold. See the back, it's just gold. And that building there is stunning. It's so majestic. Gold. Money! Money! Yeah, it's beautiful. It's a very beautiful city. Yeah, that's the Grand Palace. Oh, forgot to show you this side. I think that's the main building. Also gold, just gold. We just got gold everywhere. I wonder where they got this gold from. I hope it's not from us. Oh no, I think it's from... Yeah, I said it. Walked into this random building. It's so cool. It's got like a really old school vibe. I like it. Got artwork as well. Nice. Cheers. Okay, I don't know. I don't think this is what beer is supposed to taste like, but I like it. Damn, guys, if only all beers were like this, I'd like beer. Okay, get cherry beer. Okay. Not bad. So today is our last day in Belgium and we are just coming for brunch. This is a really nice, really cool restaurant that we found online that has like a really cool brunch menu, or it had a really cool brunch menu. We're gonna see right now. So right now I'm just having a mimosa because brunch is not brunch without a mimosa. Nice. Anyway, yeah, I'll show you the food. But yeah, it's our last day in Brussels. It's just really chill. I need to try the waffles today. I need to get a waffle. I can't leave here without having a waffle. And I still need to see the peeing man. We need to see the peeing man, bruh. We still need to see that, so I'm gonna do that as well. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Let's go. This is what we're having for brunch. There's bacon there somewhere. There's egg somewhere there. It's having tarta. So yeah. Infamous peeing man that you have to come to see in Luxembourg. And no jokes, this thing is tiny. Look, it's so small. I was expecting a grand statue or something. It's literally in the middle of some little tiny road. People are taking photos, but wow guys, this is it. This is it. Damn. Now I've seen the peeing man and I'm getting myself a waffle. Okay, so there's apparently two types here. There's this one which is apparently, okay, let me just show you properly. There's an array of different types that you can have. This is specifically from Brussels, but apparently this type, the thinner one, is the better one because it has more sugar in it. So I'm getting this one because it looks so yummy. Sure, all of it looks good. That baby, oh yeah, that looks so good.